How to recover deleted Bereal post. Recovering deleted Bereal post is generally not possible directly within the app if they've been removed from your memories. However, if you only deleted the post from your active feed, it may still exist in View All My Memories section. So what you need is open up your profile or go to the Bereal section. Tap the profile from the bottom right. There you will be able to see View My Memories and just tap or check if the post is still there or not. If Bereal is deleted from your memories, it is permanently removed and cannot be recovered. Now, changing your time zone is settings deletes your latest Bereal, and this cannot be undo as well. And you may be able to request a copy of your data, including photos, by contacting Bereal support. So tap the gear icon at the top right hand side corner of the screen. There you want to go to help, and you could go to contact us and submit a request, and this should be able to help you out to recover a deleted Bereal post. However, it's going to be quite difficult, but you could give it a try as well. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.